I took that shot, how could you blame me? Ooh, I got some rackets in my bag.
What up, YouTube? It's Mama T.
It's Nick Miller.
I'm Charisma.
I'm Dajay.
And we dabbing on them. Today we are doing a family mukbang. Have you say
It's okay, Juju.
We have, I cooked tonight, so we have fried chicken, cheddar broccoli macaroni, and I have spinach, and others have corn on their plate. And this is Juju. I told y'all was gonna probably see him. So Juju, he's gonna probably do the most tonight. And Vaya, say hi to the camera. Hi. Say hi. Okay. So we're just gonna get started. I don't know if we started to do Who Knows Me Best, but I don't know if are we doing that tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, so we doing Who Knows Me Best. I guess it's just between the three of them, since everybody's in.
Yes.
Yeah.
First one
To tap. No. First one to
raise their hand.
No. Whoever you have to pick somebody. Okay.
You want me to just pick one person?
Yeah.
Okay.
So like, we are raising your hand and you pick on somebody. If they don't know the answer, you pick on another person.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, come on. We're doing all 42.
Okay.
No.
Y'all gotta excuse Juju. He is definitely gonna be a lot tonight. You good?
Let's see.
Oh, sorry guys. Everybody put their things down.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Put it down.
sorry.
We gotta pray, okay? Go like this.
Let's bow our heads and pray. Dear Lord, thank you for this food we're about to eat. And we ask that you continue to bless us and bless everyone else. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so.
It's good?
I mean, you eat your thing on food. You know what? I can cut all this shit out. Okay, so Juju big old hair is all in the way, and he's digging all in my plate. Y'all gotta excuse him. Sorry. Okay, so I don't know how many questions we gonna do, but number one.
Because when I eat, it's not gonna be it.
Number one, am I single or taken? Not me.
Oh, we just want to write right here.
Taken.
Taken. Yes, I am married. Okay. Number two, what is my middle name? Dajay.
Racine.
Racine. Number three, my last kiss. Allow me grace the same.
Oh, no. I already love that.
You probably don't know because he ain't seen it, but it was today.
How?
Number four, my girl best friends. Dajay hand was.
Wait, you only got one. Ty. Isn't she your best friend? Tanisha?
Tanisha is my best friend.
Oh, go ahead.
I'm not your boy best friend.
You
I
said-
know it. I'm not gonna say.
Can I say?
I don't know.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh, girl, best friend?
Mm-hmm.
Capri. Ty, and that's Misha.
What?
That's your best friend, right?
Those are your
Friends.
name and friends. Best friend is like
Oh,
who I probably known for like years.
Tanisha.
yeah, Ty.
Tanisha, yeah.
You didn't pick. You should just said name. You said just name my best friend, so I just named him.
That's his best friend. So, okay. Number four. I'm sorry. That was number four. Number five. Guy best friends. I don't have guy best friends. So yeah.
Cut that part out.
Number six. My favorite song.
Oh!
Let me hand was raised first, but go ahead.
Crazy love.
Yeah. That's not his favorite song?
That's not my favorite
Charisma,
song.
why
but
you not answering
I like
this?
that song.
Huh?
Charisma too busy here.
Oh no, I was talking to Vaya.
That's not my. I mean, that's not my.
Just count it. Just count it.
One of my favorite songs. Yeah. Okay. Number 7.
Oh, and I
We
have
was
a,
just talking about this too. Number 7.
I have
but-
a mountain breeze.
Oh yeah, he has a mountain breeze for his drink. I have ginger ale.
Oh,
I have ginger ale.
My favorite.
What you got, Charisma?
I don't know why you have a ginger ale.
I got a Mountain Breeze.
Mom.
Mom,
Oh,
one drink.
Okay.
I already know this one. Dude.
Oh yeah.
You can't do that.
And I also have chicken gizzards.
Did you give me that?
Fried chicken gizzards. I don't know. Comment below if you like chicken gizzards.
You like them?
Mm-hmm. I don't use cookies all the time. They're kind of like
Let me
tough
go. Why
to
you raising
eat,
your hand?
Cause
but they are good. Okay.
She didn't even ask the question.
I
No,
know.
you can't do that.
we talked about it
You
yesterday.
can't do that.
Yeah,
You can't raise your hand.
You gotta
If
wait
she
till
didn't
you
ask the
say
question.
Wait, Juju.
But I already know it.
Okay, so let everybody.
She has to ask it first.
Daddy, you already know what the question is.
It don't matter. Let me ask the question first. Number 7. What is my height? Lami.
No, ma, I said it
Let's give it to Lami.
5'4".
5'4".
No, Choo-choo.
Nobody knows this.
What?
Number 8. How much do I weigh?
190.
She only weighed like 95 pounds.
140.
No, 100,
One, she said 190.
150.
Y'all seen me. I don't look like I'm nowhere near
You
190.
look like you weigh like
She 140.
135.
140. 140.
Charisma's close.
130.
125.
I'm 128.
Oh. I was closest.
Yeah, she's closer.
Really?
Number 9. My first kiss.
Oh, shit.
Alright, I don't know.
Right.
Middle school.
I'm not saying. You raising your hand, you know what my first kiss was?
Middle school.
Yeah, my first kiss probably was middle school. I didn't really like boys. Not that I like the girls, but I didn't really care for boys in elementary school because, you know, in elementary school, all that type of stuff is like, ew, it's nasty.
No, that was fun.
Give me the hot sauce.
Yeah, cooties.
And I have girlfriends.
Alright, done?
Number 10. Do I play any sports or have I played any
Ah,
sports?
No, you have.
head.
Not me.
Yes, you have played sports.
What sports you play?
Correct though. What sports did I play?
I don't know which sports you play, but I know you have played
No,
sports.
she hadn't played in sports. The only thing she did in school was step.
Step team.
But that's still like a
That's
sport.
not a
No, it's
sport.
not. They don't consider it a sport.
I did not play no sports because I'm not going to say lazy, but I just felt like I wasn't athletic enough to do any type of sports, so I did not play any sports.
No.
in school.
You want this?
When I said you play sports, you was like, yeah, that's true. You said, yeah, that's correct. But what kind of sports? So I did get it right because you said it was correct.
What?
You
Okay.
you did.
Okay. Number 11.
I feel like you're tricking us. Is this something else?
No, it's chicken. It's just no bone. That's all. She think I'm tricking her about the chicken.
That's right.
It's
It's all slimy.
oh no, some parts of it is
Did you stop?
like fat. So that's probably why. Juju,
Let me
be
eat my
nice.
food.
Juju, be nice. Okay, look, Juju. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi. Hi. Good job, Juju. All right. Number 11. One secret that y'all know about me.
Wait. Yeah.
You raising your hand to this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What? One secret. Excuse Vaya, y'all. One secret.
That you're the best mom ever.
Oh.
That's a secret?
Yep.
I don't know why it's a secret, but
It is because
Aw.
we know it. You said a secret that we
one
know.
secret you know about
Yeah,
me.
secret. That's a secret to other people, but you know it.
Okay.
She just
Number 12. Real quick before I do number 12. I wish I had some ranch. I went to the grocery store today and I was supposed to have picked up some ranch because I knew I didn't have none in the house. And that's why you don't go grocery shopping with your husband, because he put everything in cart for himself. And what he wanted, and I forgot ranch. And I don't do hot sauce. And the kids, everybody got hot sauce. And I have like no different sauce for my
chicken.
right. And Juju getting corn and stuff everywhere. There's a lot of problems that need to be done, but I'm gonna take it
Prisma,
out.
bring your plate in.
My funniest memory, it's not really funny, but as I look back on it now, it's funny because we found her. But was when we went to Georgia and we kind of slightly misplaced Vaya at the at the aquarium. And my baby was sitting on somebody dang on desk, counter, playing with a dolphin. I guess they were security. They said they were security, but you know, we found her because she's here with us today. So I would say that's the funniest memory.
No, not because I yelled at.
Yes, at the moment she did get yelled at, but now that we look back on it,
Everybody did.
It was Zaya's fault.
everybody got yelled at that day. But okay, 21. Do I like beaches or pools?
Neither.
Pools. So no, you don't like me either.
I got the point, not you.
Charisma got that.
I don't care.
I don't go swimming. I would get in the water, but I really I don't go swimming like that. And honestly, I am 34 years old and I've never been to a beach. Not a day in my life. So.
I just went to my first beach. Well, beach.
We was
So-
on the end of the beach. It was still a beach.
I went to go to Ocean City. And Myrtle Beach.
Number, I'm skipping number 22, but number 23. I think Juju's coming back in the video, and I think Veya's exiting the video. But
You're going.
number 23. Have I ever been bullied?
No.
Yeah. I don't know.
Funny story. This probably was a funny memory. Funny story though. I was in, I think it was kindergarten in the black boy. Kindergarten or first grade, and me and my cousin went to the same school. We're like 9 months apart. We went to the same school. And I actually got bullied by some girls at recess time. I don't really remember what was going on, but they was like all in my face and pointing and stuff. And I went to my cousin and I was crying. And you know, she's older, so you know, she was like my protector. Like I knew to go to her, and I was crying to her. Like, these girls are bothering me, and they said this and they said that. And my cousin walked up to the little girl and said, "What's wrong y'all about my cousin?" And whatever girl said, what she said, my cousin hold up and smacked the holy, you know what, out of her.
She really smacked you?
Yes, smacked the out of her. So that was my only time. Shit out of her. And shit
Out of her.
But that's the only time I could think about being bullied.
Cut that part out.
I was bullied.
You was bullied?
Ma, I didn't know that.
When you was bullied?
In elementary.
I'm always
In my brother Woods.
Are you coming back in this video?
Yeah.
Like,
think
you
everybody
wash
was
your hands
bullied
and brush your
on
teeth and
the
stuff
side
before you come back in this video.
I did.
Christmas, was you bullied?
You wash your hands?
Yeah.
In my brother Woods,
don't
when I
do that
told
again.
you.
Guys, I'm back in the bed.
When I was riding the bike and I cut my leg open, I would have to walk like that. They used to make fun of me.
You
It
was
was
chasing
a
ice
fun
cream
time.
truck?
But I used to have to walk like this.
When you was chasing the ice cream truck?
And they was copying me. It's not funny.
Okay. So, at this point, I'm going to stop the questionnaire because we're no longer, it's kind of like all questions for me to answer.
Stop.
Wait, let me see.
So, we could just have combo time, tell stories if they want to, like little
Where you
mini
going?
stories if they want to.
Get
And
my
I
chicken.
guess y'all just see what my daily life be like. Dinner time, breakfast time, lunch time, all the time.
Or we should ask questions and answer for ourselves.
Oh, yeah, you can do that.
What question are you at?
I was at,
Stop. Where you going?
Our age.
yeah,
How old are you, Charisma?
number 24, your age,
I'm 18.
I'm 13.
34,
15.
Juju is 1.
and Bea is 3. She look a little cock at it.
1.
Mm.
Say 1.
I have a little toothpaste.
25, number 25.
No,
Go-
no, no, no. 26.